Gemini is, in my opinion, one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges to buy your crypto on. So Gemini essentially is a crypto investing platform, so you can buy and sell different cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, any coin you can really think of. And unlike other brokerages such as Robinhood or Webull, you have full control over your crypto. So that means you can transfer it from Gemini to another exchange, or you could even transfer it to a cold storage. So put it on like a USB drive or something. Places like Robinhood and Webull treat cryptocurrency as if it were a stock. So you can't send it across multiple brokerages. Gemini also allows you to earn interest on your crypto. So just by doing nothing, you can earn pretty much triple what a normal savings account will give you. All right, now that you have a good idea of what Gemini is, let's take a look and see if it's actually that good. Okay, so now we are going to look at the Gemini interface. As you can see, it is a very clean and simple interface. Some brokerages can be very, very complicated when you're first getting started. And one thing that I really like about Gemini is it makes it so easy to start investing. I think that's one of the most important things when it comes to an investing app is the ease for beginners. However, there are some things that I really don't like, such as this portfolio graph. It is very hard to track how much of a return I've actually made because it shows my account as a 600% increase because I just deposited money. So whenever you deposit money, that counts as a return on the graph that Gemini has. Preferably, you would just be able to see your return on the actual investments that you bought and not just the total amount of money that you have in your account. This is not a big flaw at all, but it would be nice to see this fixed in the future. Other than that, the design is really, really good. So let's really quickly talk about buying and selling. Buying is fast and easy, and you don't have to purchase a whole coin. Like, you don't have to have $45,000 to buy a whole Bitcoin to invest in Bitcoin. You could invest $1, $100, $500, however much you want. You can also make recurring or regular buys. So if you don't want to try to time the market and you just want a dollar cost average into the cryptocurrency market, then you could set that up through Gemini. One really cool thing about Gemini is that it allows you to convert between cryptos. So if you have Bitcoin and you want to convert to Ethereum, then you could just do that. You don't have to sell your Bitcoin to convert to Ethereum. You can just convert it straight from Bitcoin to Ethereum. However, you still have to pay taxes on these conversions. Okay, let's talk about Gemini Earn. Gemini Earn allows you to get interest on your crypto. This works by first you owning some sort of cryptocurrency. So I'm just gonna use holding Bitcoin for this example because that's one of the most popular ones. So let's say you held $1,000 in Bitcoin. You could choose to lend that Bitcoin out to Gemini and they will pay you a set interest rate on that Bitcoin. The way that they are able to pay this high interest rate to you is because they are lending out what you're lending to them to a DeFi exchange. And because they're taking the risk, they get an even higher interest rate. So they take some profit and then give you back whatever's left over. And this is good because there's very little risk on your part and you actually get a better interest rate than you would anywhere else. I mean, in savings accounts, you barely get 1%. Okay, but how safe is this? If something were to happen to your crypto after you've lent it to Gemini and they've lent it out to a DeFi exchange, then you would most likely get reimbursed because it would be on them because they're the ones that took that extra risk and then lost your crypto. The only real potential that you have to lose all of your cryptocurrency by doing this is if there was a full financial collapse in the crypto markets. This is because exchanges like Gemini or Coinbase are not FDIC insured. So basically, if Gemini were to lose all their money and go out of business, then you might lose your crypto. Honestly though, that is very, very unlikely, so I would not worry too much about that happening. If you decide to use Gemini Earn, you can expect to make 8.05% with Gemini Coin, 2.05% with Ethereum, and 1.49% with Bitcoin. Gemini Coin pays the highest interest rate, and that's because you're basically just lending USD to Gemini instead of Ethereum or Bitcoin. And one Gemini coin is always $1 because it is a stable coin, which means that every Gemini coin is backed by $1. A lot of other smaller cryptocurrencies offer higher interest rates as well, but honestly, I wouldn't even mess with them. I would just go with Gemini Coin or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Overall, Gemini is a great investing platform that you really can't go wrong with. I really love the interface that the Gemini team has designed. It should not be hard to invest, and Gemini stays true to that. I hope this video brought you some value, and if it did, then it would mean a lot to me if you hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you all, and peace.